put your hands together in welcoming none other than the gorgeous and beautiful Soha Ali Khan. Well, it's so good to see you, and you're looking really lovely today. And we are going to, I just wanted to get you on stage so everybody could have a fantastic look of you. Okay? Here you are. We are going to get back to you in about a moment. I just wanted to introduce you, so let everybody actually welcome her. Please clap for her. She's here with us today. Please, ladies and gentlemen, clap for her. It's so nice to have her with us. Okay, so thank you so much, Soha. I'm going to get you back on stage. All right, so to know more about the new initiative Ola has taken in Mumbai, please, right. Once again, please put your hands together and welcome Soha Ali Khan on stage, please.
Thank you.
A little more, please, I insist. Thank you so much. All right, Soha, I have a few questions for you. Okay, so here we go. All set?
Yes, all set.
Looking lovely, and it's so wonderful to have you here with us. So once again, welcome.
Thank you very much.
All right, so Soha, I'd like to know a little bit about your recent projects. If you could just share that with us to begin with.
Well, I mean, recent projects, of course, what I've been working on, I mean, my passion is films, but the past couple of weeks I've done a lot of traveling. Unfortunately, air travel, which is very tiring and dehydrating. But I've got a chance to visit a lot of two-tier cities and places I haven't been to before. I went to Gujarat, I went to Haryana. Yesterday I was in Chhattisgarh. So just doing store launches and other things that we have to do.
That's pretty hectic.
It's a little hectic, lots of travel.
Lots of travel. So you do travel a lot, and of course out of city, out of country, and I'm sure you do travel a lot within the city as well.
Yes.
Right? So in all this traveling, do you get to use cabs?
You know, I have, of course, Ola's been around for, correct me, from 2011 or so. So I think I probably signed up with them over a year ago now, and it is something that is very useful. What I believe in is having options. Of course, I have a chauffeur, which is my lifeline. I mean, Abdul is with me everywhere. But apart from that, there are times he's a human being, and he may be unreliable. He's left the room, so I can talk about it. But also, I think it's important to have options. So sometimes when your driver doesn't turn up, sometimes when you have to go somewhere, you know, at the spur of the moment, he lives in Mira Road, so it takes him a long time to come. So often you have to rely on other means of transport, and I am a terrible driver. So sometimes there's nowhere to park as well, and you don't get valet parking. So it's important to book cabs, and I prefer, of course, to use an online service because I don't want to be walking up and down the road looking for a cab. And a lot of, I mean, I have done that in the past. I've only, you know, been working in films. It's been 8 years, actually. It's been a long time. But I had a life before this, and I had a job. And I would take a cab every day from Lokhandwala to Lower Parel on a regular basis, where my bank was. So yes, I've used many cabs.
Wow, that's incredible. So, like you said, you had registered on Ola, the Ola app. So you have used the Ola app a couple of times?
Yes, more
right?
than a couple of times, in fact. And not just for myself. Sometimes you have people who come over and they, you know, you can help them get a cab online. So lots of friends and families have used it through me. You can help them. Sometimes it's easy because sometimes you want to actually gift it to someone. They don't have to pay for it themselves, and you can just offer them a ride home. So I think it's very, very useful. It's convenient. It's easy access. And what I think Anand was saying was that's wonderful. Obviously, there's a huge demand for this, and sometimes you can't find the cabbie who's there and also looking for employment. And so that really, technology helps to bridge that gap. And you know, in India, we're a labor-intensive country, but we're also very well known for IT. So I think it's a wonderful app that brings the two together. And I'm very excited that Kali Pili is now available on Ola.
I can't get over it myself. I think it just sounds so unbelievable, but it's true. It's actually come to that stage where we can actually get a Kali Pili.
Which is, I mean, I have to say that it's been a while since I took a Kali Pili myself, but I do remember taking many. And in fact, I think the last time was when my brother was in hospital, yes. And we needed a car last minute. And of course, I just stepped out on the road and I got into I got into the nearest Kali Pili at that point. And I think there were some media people outside Lilavati because they tend to congregate outside Lilavati whenever someone famous gets admitted. And there were pictures taken of me getting into a cab. And the next day I got about literally 100 SMSs saying, do you need a car? Can we offer you a chauffeur? Is there a problem? And I said, no, sometimes it's just easy to do it yourself. And it's very empowering. And as you said, Kali Pilis are the lifeline of Mumbai. And I think it's a wonderful thing both for the drivers of Kali Pili as well as for us as consumers that this is now available to us because there are so many. There are so many Kali Pilis in Mumbai, and sometimes they're difficult to get a hold of. And I'm very excited for the drivers because it's empowering for them, and I think that they're really going to enjoy being a part of the Ola family.
All right, the one. Whoa.
Well caught.
Awesome. Okay.
See, it's still humming. It's not me.
I don't think so. No. But why blame her? Okay, so that, I mean, I can imagine the pictures of you in the cab, but it just shows how convenient it really is. And like you said, it's for both the drivers and the passengers who are using it because it just makes life so easy. And the demo that you saw, that we just, that Anand just shared.
Yes.
So you can see how convenient it is, right?
Yes.
And what are your thoughts, like on the entire use of the app?
I think that a mobile app is something that is wonderful. I mean, just last night when I got off, our flight was delayed. We were coming from Bilaspur, and the person who was traveling with me booked his Ola cab because we landed over an hour late. And it takes no time at all. You really get onto the app, you can find out, and often it is actually the Kali Pili that's closest to you because I suppose there's so many of them. And then you can choose your categories. You know, as you said, it's safe for a woman. Of course, security is a concern, but you can really track your journey. You can send SMS to people. Everyone is held accountable. So security is a big factor today, of course. So all those things. It's visible. It's easy. It's efficient, and transport is so important to all of us. So getting from point A to point B in the most efficient and convenient way is what matters most.
Perfect. That's so true because, like I said, I used it myself and I just couldn't get over it. So it was really convenient, and even the menu the menu that it offers.
Yes.
You can even make the payments.
Yes, I know. You get
through-
Ola Money,
Yes.
which is great. And I know that it's difficult sometimes to be cashless, but I think they've worked that out very well.
Yeah.
So you have a little wallet and you can top that up. And so it makes it so much easier because you don't have to have that money available. You can, of course, with Kali Pilis, you'll have to pay in cash. But I think that, when you book the other options that are available to you, and what I think is wonderful is when, guests come over, then you can also help them to get home. And, they don't have to pay for it.
And it's just so convenient. That's
It
the
is very
best part. All right. So Soha, thank you so much. I request you to have a seat once again. I am going to call you again.
I'm here.
So
I'm
I hope you
available.
don't mind.
Not at all.
Because
I
we
think my
love
seat has
having
been
you.
taken. Yeah.
We love having you on stage again and again. So we will have another session with you. We will be asking you a few more questions with the media, of course.
Of course.
For now, I request you to please take
Thank
a seat.
you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you very much.
And we will, of course, move on. And for now,
He gets a continuous stream of bookings. All that he has to do is for him as an entrepreneur because he's an entrepreneur at the end of the day. So this is part of the overall ecosystem focus that we have.
that has actually been associated with the Ola app. So please, Mohammed Mumtaz ji, ये app आ चुका है तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ है, क्या फर्क पड़ा है आपके लिए?
हम लोग को क्या किधर भाड़ा मिल जाता है आसानी से बैठे रहते हैं तो कभी ऐसा कोई जगह कभी 10-15 मिनट बैठा रहते हैं ऐसा
सिर्फ 10-15 मिनट?
हाँ,
मैं
नहीं,
तो
कभी-कभी-
जब मैं देखती हूँ इट्स लाइक सीम्स लाइक 1 घंटा या 2 घंटा भी लगता है ना.
अब पब्लिक को भी आराम है भाई गाड़ी मिल जाता है काला पीला कभी टैक्सी नहीं मिलता है लोअर पर एरिया में शाम के टाइम 7 बजे किधर भी कोई एरिया में टैक्सी नहीं मिलता है और उनका बुक करते हैं तो टैक्सी मिल जाता है कहीं ओला से बुक करते हैं तो
ठीक है. तो आपका वेट भी कम हुआ है? जो
हाँ.
आपका जो वेटिंग का टाइम जो है
हाँ.
वो भी कम हुआ है, राइट?
हाँ
Did I say something? Well, लेकिन और आपका बैकग्राउंड क्या है? आपने कहा बिहार से.
हाँ मैं
जी.
बिहार से हूँ.
और कितने साल आप मुंबई में हैं?
बम्बई में तो 25 साल हो गया.
अच्छा. और शुरू से ही आप कैब चला रहे हैं?
नहीं 94 से कैब चला रहे हैं.
अच्छा, ठीक है, तो अभी ये टेक्नोलॉजी जो है, I'd like to request Mrs. Subramanian and Nitesh, who leads the Kali Pili initiative, on stage for the Q&A. So we now open the floor. You want to take a picture? Sure. And I do request the photographers to please be at a level so the cameras at the back can have a good view. Right? Right.
Yeah, sure.
Do you want chairs or?
Can we get the mic on, please?
So many of the. So how do you tackle this issue for the navigation?
Right, so we give them the smartphone, right?
Okay, so you
they don't have a smartphone. Many of them, in fact, do have a
Yeah.
smartphone, though. But we give them a dedicated smartphone that has the Ola mobile app, right? We've distributed over 2,000 smartphones across Kali Pili drivers in Mumbai now, right? This smartphone has the Ola application, right? And that enables them to log in and be available for customer requests.
Thank you.
Sure.
Hi,
Yes,
good
please.
afternoon, everyone. This is Zuhair from Pro Bollywood.
Sure.
I've got a question with Soha.
Sure.
Soha, since you are a Bollywood celebrity and a public figure as well, so people follow you like anything. Whatever you do, whatever you speak becomes the news.
I hope not.
Yeah.
Not
So,
everything I do.
coming up to your humanistic thing, which is that thing what prompts you to just come up for the social causes and supporting humanistic initiatives?
I think even before I was a public figure, I think it's important wherever you can, especially when you live in India where there's so much diversity, and I think if you're born into a family with a certain amount of privilege, there's a certain moral conscience, I think, that drives you to give back to society. And I certainly don't take my position for granted. But connecting it to why we're here today, I mean, this is, of course, a business venture which is now branched out and is incorporating Kali Pili, giving them a platform. So there's an element, what I like about it most is an element of empowerment, whereby the goal is, the philosophy is to make everyone, as an individual, the best that him or her can be. So giving them the facilities, giving them the opportunity through financing, because they've tied up with certain financial institutions. As you saw in the video, they were saying sometimes loan milna mushkil ho jata hai unke liye, gaadi nahi kharid paate hain. So that has become easy as well. They've tied up with motor companies, with financial institutions, which I think is wonderful. But the goal is to help each and every driver stand up on his or her own feet, and you know, it's their dream that they're trying to fulfill.
Anand, I have a question for you.
Sure.
Actually, there are two questions. One is, I want to know which is the area of operation in Mumbai. You said South Mumbai.
That's right.
So is it the island city, or are you only looking at Sobo, like Malba Hill and Cuff Parade?
Sure.
Number two, I want to know is the fare. What if a person wants to travel 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers?
Right.
Is there a minimum fare which you have defined, like some companies have, minimum 100 rupees for 7 kilometers?
Got it. Yeah. So Nitesh, you might want to talk about which area of operation.
Yeah, coming to the area of operation, so we have started from Bandra West to down to the south, which is still Kolaba. And about the fares, it is exactly the same fare as you right now pay, which is by the meter. There is no minimum fare. So minimum fare is the government fare, which is rupees 23, I guess, for the Kali Pili, and 27 for the Cool Cab. So it's strictly by the government fares. We are nowhere involved in the fares, and it is as per the kilometer. So customer and the driver decides what fare to go for.
So just to add to that, we are a pure play booking platform in terms of Kali Pili, right? On the other categories, we agree upon a fare with the customer, which is pre-decided. There is a rate card, and drivers run on those fares. But because this is available from the regulated side of things, right? If you look at the average Kali Pili guy, he has a meter, right, and the meter works. And in Mumbai, I think it's a phenomenal place, unlike most other cities where you sit in and the first thing that he does is turn down the meter. Doesn't even ask you where do you want to go, right? Which I think is amazing, right? So we respect that, and the customers don't have to pay anything extra over and above the meter. They just have to pay by the meter as they would regularly in a Kali Pili. Right? Did I answer both questions? Yeah, superb. Any more questions? Yeah, please.
Yeah, Mr. Anand, would you just like to just, what are the reasons why you just opted to Soha to just come up and support this cause? Why not the others or the celebrities?
So one of the most important reasons we got Soha here was because she uses Ola so much, right? And we know she loves the entire app experience, and that she's been using us multiple times. We've interacted with her in the past, and we've realized, she loves the whole idea of how we are enabling entrepreneurship. So we were having a chat, and she was telling how amazed she is about learning. So there was this video which Soha saw about a woman entrepreneur, a housewife who started with one cab and today has 9 cabs, all of them working with Ola, right? And is an entrepreneur by herself in her own mind, right? So such things struck a chord with her, and as a user, she's been an amazing user. So it makes more sense to get someone who uses us more often than to get any random celebrity, right? And Soha is definitely a great Mumbai connect.
Hi,
I had a question there. Yeah.
I am Virendra from CNBC आवाज़.
Sure.
ये जो ड्राइवर आपके साथ काली पीली वाले जुड़ेंगे, इनके लिए पेमेंट मोड क्या है और क्या आप इनसे रजिस्ट्रेशन का पैसा लेंगे और इनका रेवेन्यू मॉडल किस तरह से काम करेगा आपके और इनके बीच में?
Sure. So फिलहाल ये जो हम कर रहे हैं, this has a zero revenue model attached to it, right? The idea is to make the platform open and available, right? So at the moment, the device that we are giving them is absolutely free of cost, no deposit, no charge on the device, right? When I say no charge, I mean we don't charge them for the device. But more importantly, the device is a great way for a Kali Pili driver to understand the value that it can create in his life, right? बंदा जो अभी शायद 1000-1500 का धंधा कर रहा होगा दिन में, उसका he will see a great addition to that coming in, right? And in the beta period, we think that has gone up to 40%. We know this will stabilize over time. In the last 3 weeks, when we have done our own betas, it has gone up to 40% of increased revenues for all of these drivers who've been on the platform in the last 2 to 3 weeks. So ideally, there is no revenue model attached to it at the moment. We might have to figure that over time.
So इसमें payment सिर्फ
cash between the customer and the driver, जैसे आप regularly एक काली पीली में बैठते हैं, right? Exactly the same way. इसमें फ़र्क बस इतना है, आपको बुक करने का ऑप्शन बहुत कन्वीनियंटली एक मीडियम के थ्रू दिया जा रहा है. That's the only additional value for the customer. For the driver, it is more business, but you're not charging him anything for it. I'm sorry, I think you had a question there. Yeah.
Anand, this is
I'm sorry.
Anand Katti from Global Media.
Hi.
Anand, I just wanted to know, in the area of operations, it's a very limited operation right now from Bandra to Colaba.
That's right.
Aren't you looking at other options where people really find it very difficult, especially at the airports and other things?
Totally.
Though we have so many options, even
Totally.
then there are times people are waiting for a cab there.
Absolutely. So we have to start somewhere, right? And the reason why we chose South Bombay was because this is probably the most used mode of transportation in South Bombay, right? Autos aren't heavily available, in fact, aren't here. So taxis, Kali Pilis are the most used, right? We intend to phase this out, into the northern Bombay, into other parts of Bombay over time. Our idea is to ensure that with the end of this financial year, we are present across Bombay, right? And we expect to cover every part of Bombay, including the airport, obviously, right? So that's something that we intend to do. We already cover the airport in a different way, obviously, with cars available on the platform. The Ola branded cars available on the platform, which work with us on the basic commission model. They are available at the airport. In Bombay, there are over 5,000 of them, right? 2,000 only in South Bombay. Great place to start, right? And we intend to take this to all of Bombay very soon.
And Anand, can you also tell us something about the initial training.
It big time, right?
So I'll take you to the registration process. So we went, as you said, in the taxi stands. We talked to the drivers, first of all understand their problems, their daily revenues, what are their currently income is, and how we can add value to them. So that was the first step to understanding the exact model. Then we went down and then did the entire registration process, where we take the license of the drivers, we understand which car he is driving, take the RC book copy as well, understand the badge as well. So all the drivers in the platform are strictly the government licensed drivers. So we have taken care of all those steps. Moving down, we have given all the technology training provided to them. How to accept the booking, what are the different ways you can use the app for, what is the payment mode, all those things has been covered in the training. So there is a special training which has been created for these drivers, and we have done the training on the ground itself. So the idea is so that they are on the ground, we don't want to ruin their time, we don't want to take out their time, so that they don't lose out on the money.
So every hour for this guy is ideally extra business coming his way, right? So we've tried to optimize heavily there and still ensure that they have enough understanding of technology. In fact, I was sitting with a team yesterday and they were telling me most drivers,
apart from the mobile app, like Ola Cab also, you can book
the idea is to make it extremely possible, and hence the choice to keep it at the mobile app level.
I don't know, I can't promise that. Depends on the question.
Okay. You just spoke about your family connections. So normally, the people who just come up with a Nawab family, they are considered to live a luxurious and lavish life. But which is that thing? Which is that thing what prompts you to just come up again and again to support these social causes and initiatives?
You already asked me this question. Same question,
yeah, it was. But just talking about the family connections with that, like.
I think I answered that by saying that, especially, I can only speak for myself, but if you're born into a position of privilege, then you're driven more to do things for others who have had less than you. But I want to correct you. Nawabs don't have lots of money. We have this sort of social status and lineage, but some of us are strapped for cash.
All right, good. So we'll have quick one-on-ones, right here after this. Request.
Exactly, and I think that's the best way. But I used like Anarth earlier. अब तो हमारा एक नया घर भी है.
So hi, first of all tell us your association with Ola, and since you said a lot of things.
I am an Ola user actually, which is why I think that perhaps they thought of me to invite me here today. And Ola has of course been in existence for 2 or 3 years now as an mobile application to book cabs, and they have various kinds of cabs that you can book, from a premium car to a compact car. What is exciting about today is that they have now included a platform for the Kali Pilis. So those taxis that are the lifeline of Mumbai will now be available to book online through Ola, which I think is really exciting.
So you think it will revolutionize the ordinary, simple taxi system?
I think so. I think the main concern is the gap between supply and demand. There is obviously a lot of demand for transport and convenient, efficient transport in a city like Mumbai and in other cities, even two-tier cities. Everyone needs to get from point A to point B in the quickest, most convenient way possible. And there are, of course, we've seen that visual of a taxi driver sitting in his cab, not getting someone, even though there are so many people in a parallel lane looking for a cab. So because a mobile application will fill that gap. You can see on your GPS, you can see where your nearest cab is, you'll get a time estimation, you'll get a rate. So all of that will be wonderful. Of course, with the Kali Pilis, you'll pay in cash, and the other platforms, there are other forms of payment that are possible. मैं तो कहूँगी कि बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम है, और it is very important, of course, sanitation, जहाँ पे भी वो खुद कह चुके हैं और बहुत सारे लोग उनके साथ जुड़ चुके हैं. Doesn't matter आप किस पार्टी से हैं या आपका background क्या है. We all belong to this country and we want a clean India, and clean not only in terms of physical cleanliness, also in terms of corruption. जहाँ पे भी आपको किसी टाइप की गंदगी नजर आए, वो उसे हटाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. हम सब जुट चुके हैं, हम सब सिटीजन्स हैं हिंदुस्तान के, तो इससे पहले भी हमारा फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि हम इस देश को, हमारे गली को, हम मोहल्ले को, ऑफिस को, मंदिर को साफ रखें, जैसे उन्होंने कहा. आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड थॉट.
So Diwali is coming. What are your plans? What are you doing? Are there any special?
We've just had such a long weekend of celebration from Navami, Dashera, my birthday, Eid. So it's very exciting. I think Diwali is a beautiful festival, or it's a time for family and friends. So whatever you do, you play your card parties, you go to people's houses. There'll be a little puja क्योंकि हमारा एक still नया घर है. तो we'll have a little puja at home. फिर हम normally भाई के घर जाते हैं, वहाँ पे भी there'll be a puja, and we don't do a lot of patakas क्योंकि भाई के घर में भी और मेरे घर में भी एक हमारे घर में छोटी सी लीगल है मस्ती, और भाई के घर पे एल्विस हैं, and so they get very scared of firecrackers, so no firecrackers.
अंशु, जैसे कि आपने भी कहा कि ग्रैंड फैमिली काफ़ी अच्छा माहौल रहता है, तो अगर कुछ बात करें अगर पकवान की, या तो आप कुछ बनाती हैं या फिर
मैंने कहा था आई थिंक 1.5 साल पहले कि मैं कुछ मतलब सीखना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि एज अ 21st सेंचुरी एम्पावर्ड वुमन अगर आपको कुकिंग नहीं आती है तो आप अपने आप को इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं बुला सकते हैं. बट अब तक मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा सीखा नहीं है, लेकिन सीखूंगी. This is Sohali Khan. To all the viewers, I would like to wish them a very, very happy and safe Diwali. Be responsible and think about Masti, my little beagle. Please don't light firecrackers.
And so, would you just like to the government, any association for the government coming up with this initiative, or any kind of
government for Ola? For Ola? No, I just think that it's very exciting that Kali Pili is now available to book online through Ola, and I think that it's great for the drivers. I think it's great for consumers, and I think that it's going to make a huge difference to Mumbai.
And so, last, could you wish the listeners also for Happy Diwali?
Absolutely, listeners of
My FM.
My FM. This is Sohali Khan. I'd like to wish all the listeners of My FM a very happy and a very safe Diwali.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
I think it's beautiful and very difficult to write. How did you do that? कैसे आप
फोटो निकाल लीजिए, आपको निकालना है. सॉरी
बट वो साइज छोटा है.
फोटो किस चीज़ की चाहिए ये बताइए. फोटो किसकी चाहिए, कैसा फोटो चाहिए?
अरे बॉस
Yeah, somebody should be organizing this. It's not. How is this?
Right. Very difficult. बस बाबू थोड़ा साइड हो जाए यार पिक्चर लेने से फिर कर लेना अरे
You gonna sit and
Baba, can you not click picture? Don't the flash, yeah. Flash, but don't click it. We don't need the flash like that. Baba.
चलो चलो
बोला ये